You want to create something abstract and free, but the moment the pen touches the paper, the doubt creeps in. Is this even art? The pressure to have a deep concept often kills the lightness you need to begin. Today I'm showing you 3 simple exercises to silence that inner critic, and we will move from a free, easy line to a conscious, solid statement, step by step. Let's reclaim your intuition. Step 1. Grab a sticky note or a small piece of paper. The insignificance is a superpower. It carries no expectation of being masterful and frees your mind from overthinking. Set yourself a timer for just 60 seconds. This limitation becomes your shield, too short for your inner critic to even form a sentence. For this little exercise, give yourself 3 rules. First, make quick, loose marks and don't worry about composition. Don't even ask what it means yet. Just observe your hand. Where does it go? Where do you hesitate? Let the line emerge without intention. This is not about planning, it's about movement and pure experience of the mark. Step 2. Before you judge a page, pause for a moment. In the second exercise, we look at what we have created. It might look like a mess of lines at first, but somewhere inside that chaos, your intuition has left a trail. Your job now is to find it. Take a paper window like this and slide it slowly across your drawing. Notice what happens when you see only a small part at a time. This is where we move from pure intuition into a conscious decision. We are not fixing the drawing, we are discovering the hidden treasure within it. Abstraction does not begin with a big concept. It begins with permeability, being open to what appears while you are working. It's about being sensitive enough to let the process influence you rather than forcing a result. And while you keep moving your little window across the page, I want to tell you something about the painter Franz Kline. Kline had worked figuratively before. In 1948, in William de Kooning's studio, some of his small drawings were enlarged with a projector, and suddenly the lines turned into a bold, abstract, monumental painting on the wall. He followed what appeared through that experiment, opening the path towards the large black and white abstractions we know today. And this is why Kline becomes a powerful model for this exercise. You are not forcing an idea onto the page, you are playing, observing, and learning to move between unconscious movement and conscious choice, between letting go and taking control while staying attentive to what happens in between. And that is why I make these videos, to help you become more sensitive to the artistic process, to let go of control and open up to experimentation, curiosity and trust in what appears while you are working. If you feel totally stuck at this point and don't know how to find your flow, I made a simple drawing guide for you that helps you get back into the creative work step by step. You'll find the link in the description. Now we come to exercise 3. Take your chosen fragment and give it more space. Enlarge it onto a fresh sheet of paper. Use bigger tools, maybe a thick brush or charcoal, anything that allows the mark to become more physical. Turn the unconscious mark into a conscious visual statement. Notice how the energy changes. Let it become a dialogue with the work, not a monologue. If you want to go one step further, make the work again on another sheet. This time, treat the first version as your starting point, not as something you have to repeat. Don't copy it too closely. Keep what feels alive, the rhythm, the tension, and let the image change. Ask the image, where do you want to go now? This is where the process becomes a real dialogue. It's not about doing it right, it's about getting into motion with your hands, your thoughts, and your perception. These 3 exercises create a space where you can observe what guides you and what holds you back. If you enjoy this search for permeability and want to go deeper, you can visit me on Patreon. If you're looking for more ways to ease back into drawing, try out this next video. I'll share 3 more simple tricks to help you stay in the flow. I'll see you there.